All right, this is the week 4 packet. The parents who picked up all the packets at school got week 4. If you got your packet in the mail, it only went to week 3 because it was so heavy with all the stuff Mrs. White packed that we had to take some things out. So we took out week 4 because it's spring break. So if you have this packet and you'd like to follow along, this is the answer key. Most of it's pretty easy. There's a couple pages I do need to explain, and you can always stop, pause on the screen, and copy it, just like we would do in class when I'd freeze the screen up there and you copy for me on the whiteboard, and then I walk around the desks helping. Okay, so this is only for parents who came and picked up their packets at school. If it was mailed to you, you didn't get this one, don't worry about it. Okay. All right, so on this one, color in the balls that have more than 3 10s and 2 1s, bigger than 32, more than 32. This is the one that needs some explaining. All right, so here's the number. To expand it doesn't just mean any old numbers that equal 32, okay? So you're not doing like 21 plus 17. No, you're taking just the 3 10s, turning into 30, because 3 10s equals 30. 8 is 8 1s, so 30 plus 8 equals 38. 52, 50, 5 in the tens place stands for 50. And yes, if you label it T for tens place, O for ones place, 50 plus 2 equals 52. Okay. Then we have, so 30 plus 8 equals 38, writing it in word form, 38 with words, and then breaking it up into tens and ones. Tens, 3 10s, ones, 8. A little weird that they put it that way, kind of flipped it around. We're used to having the tens over there. So how many tens? 3. How many ones? 8. 52, 50 plus 2 equals 58. There's, 50 plus 2 equals 52. 50 and 2 written in word form. How many tens? 5. How many ones? 2. 24, 20 plus 4 equals 24. 20 plus 4 written in word form. How many tens? 2. How many ones? 4. Go ahead and copy the whole screen and use it as an answer key. Pause. Good. Going on to the next one. Same thing. Number 28, 20 plus 8 equals 28. Write it in word form, 28, and draw it. So a little different than that one. We're drawing it, 2 10 sticks and 8 cubes. Go ahead and pause the screen and use it as an answer key if you need to. Next one, pretty easy. We know how to do this. There's your answer key. Pause the screen. And here's your answer key for this one. Pause the screen. And we're really good at this. These 2 pages we're really good at. Most kids know how to do this. Actually, my entire class knows how to do this really well. All right, a little tricky. Use that number grid. Remember your number grid. Let me get my number grid. Okay, remember the number grid here. Okay. So 75, 10 less. You go 75 and you jump up. 65. Go back to 75 and 10 more. You jump down. 85. Okay, so use your number grid. Use your number grid for this. Go up when it says 10 less. Go down when it says 10 more. Go to the left when it says 1 less. Go to the right when it says 1 more. Okay, so let's pause on that whole screen there. Go ahead and pause. And use it as an answer key. Okay, I like these ones. It looks like somebody took a puzzle and like a box and unfolded a box. All right, we have 75, 10 less is 65, 10 more is 85. 1 less is 74, 1 more is 76. Use your number and you could totally copy it. Okay, so let's look at the 75 here. Okay, 75. So look at it. Can you see just this part? Can you see 74, 74, 76, 76, go back to 75, up, and down. Okay, so you could even, I wouldn't color that because you only have one number grid. Okay, but it's right here. Okay, let's look at this one, 93. So looking at 93. Oh, a little trickier. Up is 83. To the left is 92. 10 less is up, 83. 93. 1 less is 92. Back to 93. 1 more is 94. Now look at 93. If you go down, oh, look, it's past 100. So you're going to go over here 100, 101, 102, 103. You can write that on there if you want to. and there's mine. Okay? So take each one of these, 34, find it on here, and you'll find your answers. It's all right here like a crisscross, like a little cross, okay? And 28, find your 28. It's right here, like a little cross. 62, right here, and find it right there. Okay, pause the screen. Use mine as an answer key. And on to the next page. Oh, you know how to do this really well. I'm not going to explain it. Only color what you're actually using for the number. Pause. Use mine for an answer key. Next one. Pause. Use this for an answer key. Oh, did you notice you don't color any here? Because it's 6 tens and how many zeros and how many ones I